Welcome to Best Choice. The best laundry basket rope is probably one of the most underrated home essentials, but trust me, it can seriously upgrade your laundry game. Today, we're diving deep into the world of laundry basket ropes, exploring what makes them stand out, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to say goodbye to flimsy, unattractive laundry solutions and hello to a stylish, durable, and functional upgrade that will transform the way you handle your dirty clothes. Number 5. KAKAMAY 20x13 Cotton Rope Storage Basket. This basket is made of 100% cotton rope, ensuring a soft and chemical-free storage solution. It's safe for kids and pets, and its durable construction holds its shape well. You can easily wash it by hand or machine. With its generous size, this basket is perfect for storing blankets, pillows, or toys in your living room or nursery. It helps keep your space neat and organized, making it ideal for various storage needs. This decorative basket is a stylish alternative for all your storage needs, complementing any home decor. It keeps everything in its place, making it a practical and attractive addition to your home. The soft yet firm basket is designed to avoid scratches and is perfect for baby clothes and toys. It's a great laundry storage basket built to last. The rope won't separate or fray, ensuring long-term use. The basket arrives folded, but it will regain its shape when filled. You can easily remove creases by ironing. It's washable by hand or machine, and air drying is recommended, or you can use a dryer on a delicate cycle. What we like. This KAKAMAY basket is made of 100% cotton, ensuring a soft and safe storage solution. Its multi-purpose design allows it to fit perfectly with any home decor. If you are looking for a versatile and stylish storage option for your living room or nursery, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's roomy, sturdy, and looks great in my living room. The cotton rope is thick yet soft, and the neutral design fits anywhere. The handles are holding up well under multiple uses as a laundry basket for transporting the clean and folded laundry. Number 4. YOUDENOVA 58L Woven Rope Laundry Hamper. This tall laundry hamper is made of 100% natural hand-woven cotton rope. It's free of plastics and harsh chemicals, making it perfect for storing clothes, blankets, and more. This hamper is larger than most, capable of holding a week's worth of clothes. The sturdy handles make it easy to carry, even when it's full. The hamper's design adds a nice touch to any room. Its slim and tall shape makes it suitable for various spaces, and it's easy to fold and store when not in use. With a 58L capacity, this basket keeps things organized in a stylish way. You can use it to store towels, blankets, toys, or any other household items. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not happy with your purchase, please contact us, and we'll do our best to resolve any issues. What we like. The YOUDENOVA hamper is made from eco-friendly, hand-woven cotton rope. Its large size and sturdy handles make it easy to carry. If you need a spacious and durable laundry basket for your bedroom or nursery, this hamper is designed to meet your needs. What people say. The laundry basket is very sturdy. It is a great size for a family of 4. The handles are strong and well attached. Number 3. COMSE Extra Large Woven Storage Basket. This woven basket is made of healthy, chemical-free cotton rope, making it safe for kids and pets. It's a great choice for storing toys and clothes. The basket is strong and reliable, standing up on its own without scratches. It's perfect for a nursery, accommodating baby clothes and toys. With dimensions of 15.7 by 21.7 inches, this tall blanket basket is ideal for throw pillows, blankets, toys, and more. It helps develop clean living habits. Featuring durable handles and a neutral color design, it's easy to move and complements any home decor. It is perfect for laundry rooms, bedrooms, and living rooms. This basket is a great gift for birthdays and festivals. It is a unique home decor addition. If you have any issues, please contact us for a solution. What we like. The COMSE basket features a healthy, chemical-free cotton rope design. Its soft yet sturdy construction makes it perfect for accommodating baby clothes and toys. If you like a stylish and practical storage solution for your home, consider this one. What people say. The laundry basket is well made and sturdy. It is a great size for a family of 4. The rope handles are strong and comfortable to carry. Number 2. COMFY-HOMI XXL Laundry Basket, 16 inches by 18 inches. This extra-large basket is perfect for organizing and storing items. It's spacious enough to hold blankets, laundry, or toys. It's a great addition to any room. Made from a naturally healthy rope material, this basket is free of harmful elements. You can feel safe using it in your home, creating a natural and comfortable environment. The soft design of this basket prevents scratches and dents on your furniture and floors. This makes it a safe choice for nurseries, bedrooms, and homes with children or pets. The handles are ergonomically designed and reinforced for easy carrying, even with heavy loads. You can effortlessly move it around your house. With quality workmanship, you won't have to worry about scratches or dents. Use it with confidence around babies, children, and pets. The basket may arrive folded, but it's easy to reshape. Simply stuff it with items or pillows for a couple of days. For a quicker fix, you can also use an iron. What we like? This COMFY-HOMI basket offers an extra-large capacity, perfect for organizing and storing items. The soft material ensures safety, and the ergonomic handles make it easy to carry. If you have a lot of items to store and need a comfortable carrying experience, it is a great option. What people say. Flexible but sturdy. My kids can cart these back and forth to laundry much easier than a plastic basket. Looks better too. These baskets are exactly what we wanted, beautiful and a very, very high quality. They are exactly as pictured. The colors are gorgeous. We love them and use them for everything from laundry to books and miscellaneous storage. Thick, holds a lot, nice colors, stands upright. Number 1. Goodpick Wicker Laundry Hamper, 25.6 inches tall. This hamper is crafted with soft cotton rope, making it perfect for delicate items. It's gentle on your clothes while providing a stylish storage solution. The woven design adds a touch of elegance to any room. With a height of 25.6 inches, this tall hamper offers ample space for a week's worth of laundry. It brings convenience to your life, allowing you to save time and enjoy more of it. It's also a beautiful home decor piece. This modern basket seamlessly matches your existing decor. It's a special hamper, suitable for a girl's or boy's room, bedroom, or living room, perfect for storing blankets or clothes. It's a versatile addition to any home. The hamper features easy-to-grab handles, ensuring maximum portability. These handles are designed to be durable and won't fall off. They are also safe for children and pets, as they contain no metal or plastic parts. We put a lot of effort into designing and manufacturing this rope hamper for our customers. We stand behind our craftsmanship. If you have any issues, please let us know, and we will resolve them immediately. The hamper is initially folded, but it will quickly regain its elegant shape when filled with towels or blankets. You can also use an iron to smooth out any creases. It's designed for your convenience. What we like? The Goodpick hamper features soft cotton rope and a tall design, making it a graceful addition to any room. It has sturdy handles for easy portability. If you are looking for a stylish and functional laundry basket that combines elegance with practicality, you should consider it. What people say. It is a large capacity, and the detail on this hamper is exquisite. The material is cotton, and it is not harsh on the skin. You can multi-use this hamper for the kids' toys or laundry, folded hands, whatever fits your needs, smiling face with hearts. I love these baskets, they're beautiful and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.